up, ladies and gents? Coach Ryan with a little tutorial on the Russian twist and the Russian triangle. So in this movement, the Russian triangle or the Russian twist, my upper body, aka my thoracic spine, is doing the work. So my eyes are actually forward, and it's my upper body coming back and forth. So there is no rotation in my lower back. It's not a twist from side to side. Now you may have been doing this exercise incorrectly. That's okay. After this video, you'll do it correct, and you'll save your back. All right? So it's actually a resistance exercise for your core. It's an anti-rotation exercise. You want to squeeze as tight as you can, brace your abs, and then from here, use your upper body to go back and forth. Now the Russian triangle, we just add another one in the back. So I'll show you a couple. Looks like this. I tap down, up, twist, twist, back, twist, twist. All right, so stop rotating from your lumbar spine. Your body doesn't really enjoy that. Your spine doesn't enjoy that. But it does like a little thoracic spine mobility and some anti-rotation. Like that, like that. So that's a tutorial on the Russian triangle. From now on, you'll do it right. Actually get, motherfucker, to say. All right, fucking do that over. I'll fucking do it over.